Well, such a really two seats on the left. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Once you have located your seat, we ask you
to try and make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'.
Guys, day 2 in Copenhagen, and we will be doing some really interesting stuff today. We will be going to, it's called a round tower or something, where you walk up in circles and with the interesting motions. And we will be going to the world famous Niehafen, maybe it's called Nijhaven, I don't know. And after that we will eat something really interesting at the food market, maybe one of Europe's biggest food markets overall. So I guess let's go.
Price on y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off. Still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't tryna grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. Running through it with the young influence, had a lesson pressures, us are coming to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete a check the rhythm, losing, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' pull some. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I want the winners and they